Have you spent thousands of dollars on SaaS marketing and failed to generate the desired ROI? Watching your competitors acquire users, improve their product's visibility, and enjoy lower customer acquisition costs can be painful. If that's you, hang on. I have got a solution that can effectively solve your problem. Hey, I am Komal and I run a marketing agency where we help founders and marketers like you elevate your brand's identity and attract your dream customers. In this video, I will help you understand the root problem and the content marketing framework that the top SaaS brands execute. Stick till the end because I will share an example application that you can follow to boost your product's reach. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on anything. Sounds great? Let's begin. I am going to walk you through the strategy that leading SaaS brands like Zapier, Monday, Trello, HubSpot, etc. follow. First, intent-based SEO and content marketing. You may say there is nothing new in that, but in reality, it has been the biggest differentiating factor for brands I mentioned earlier. With an effective SEO strategy and by understanding your target audiences in detail, even you can attract thousands of visitors to your website, engage them through valuable and problem-solving content, provide them with free ebooks and guides, and gradually convert them into paying customers. This will help you to reduce first, your acquisition cost, second, churn rate. After working for SaaS brands, I have developed a solid SEO framework that you can follow to generate results. Let's understand this. The content marketing and SEO framework. Imagine this as a step-by-step funnel where each stage addresses a specific customer need mapped to their search intent. Unaware, that is informational content. At this stage, people don't even realize they have a problem. Your goal is to build curiosity by providing general, helpful content that aligns with broader industry challenges. Here are the SEO tactics you can follow. Use keywords with high search volume but low competition. Focus on blog posts or videos that answer beginner level questions and the content ideas that you can explore. What is workflow automation and why it matters? The basics of SaaS, how these tools simplify your work. Second, problem aware, that is consideration content. They have identified a challenge but don't yet know the best solution. Your content should emphasize with their pain points and start introducing potential approaches. Here, the SEO tactics could be target mid-tail keywords that highlight specific problems, publish comparison articles, how-to guides or checklists, and the content ideas that will perfectly align here would be top 5 challenges of managing remote teams, why manual task tracking is killing your productivity. Next, solution aware, that is evaluation content. Here your audience understands the solution category, for example CRM's project management tools, and is actively searching for the best fit. Your goal is to showcase your product as the ideal option. Now the SEO tactics for the third stage could be optimize for high intent keywords like best product category and product reviews. Use gated content like ebooks or guides to gather leads. Content ideas that you can explore. Best SaaS tools for startups in 2025. The ultimate guide to choosing a workflow management tool. Fourth, product aware, that is decision content. These users already know about your brand but might need an extra push to convert. Highlight your unique value proposition and address any objections that might have. Here, the SEO tactics could be focus on branded and comparison keywords, include testimonials, case studies, and in-depth product demos. And the content ideas that you can explore: Trello versus Asana, which tool is the best for your team? How your SaaS saved a startup $20,000 in 6 months. Fifth one, most aware, that is retention content. Your customers are already familiar with your product. Now it's about upselling, retaining them, and turning them into your brand advocates. Here are the SEO tactics you can follow. Develop content that supports advanced use cases or offers exclusive insights. Use long tail keywords specific to your power users. And the content ideas that will perfectly align here would be 5 power tips for getting the most out of your SaaS tool. How advanced teams use your product for maximum ROI. Example application. Let's imagine you run a SaaS like Trello. Here is how this framework would work. Unaware would be a blog title, Top 10 Benefits of Streamlining Your Workflow Attracts Casual Readers. Problem aware could be a video on why most remote teams struggle with deadlines sparks interest. Solution aware could be an ebook titled How Trello Simplifies Collaboration Generates Leads. And product aware could be a webinar, Trello versus competitors live demo convinces hesitant prospects. And most aware can be a case study titled Scaling Projects Faster with Trello, a real life example, delights existing users. By following this framework, you can guide your potential customers seamlessly through their journey from curiosity to conversion and maximize the ROI of your SEO and content marketing efforts. SEO for SaaS has been an excellent choice for top SaaS brands for generating website traffic, engaging and converting them into potential customers. But what you essentially need to do is to figure out their key problem and the pain point. Once done, you have an easy opportunity to scale your SaaS product. In the upcoming video, I will tell you how Asana and Slack double their users using explainer videos. Subscribe to our channel and follow us for more in-depth analysis of SaaS marketing. Till then, goodbye.